Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the FEC Campaign Finance Contribution Scraper, made by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify. It's used to collect official campaign finance contribution data directly from the Federal Election Commission's OpenFEC API. This actor pulls detailed campaign finance contribution records from the FEC, including contribution amounts, dates, contributor information, committee details, and direct links to the original filing documents. It's designed for researchers, journalists, compliance professionals, and anyone working with campaign finance transparency data. To use this actor, you'll need an OpenFEC API key, which you can gather from this website. For testing, there's also a demo key included with limited functionality. So, how does it work? The input section is organized into logical parts. You can search by contributor name, committee details, location, employer, occupation, contribution amount, date range, and election cycle. At least one search parameter is required. That can be a committee ID or any contributor-related filter like name, employer, or location. In this example, I'm searching for contributors with the last name Smith. Once you're done with your specific filters, go ahead and click Start. Now, we'll let the actor gather the data. After the run finishes, the results appear in this dataset table on the Output tab. Each row represents a single campaign contribution. You'll see the contribution amount and date, full contributor details, committee information, transaction IDs, and direct links to both the FEC contribution page and the original filing PDF. Remember, we just used the demo key for this one. You can export the data to a CSV, Excel, or JSON file, and use it in spreadsheets, data analysis tools, or automated reporting workflows. This scraper is ideal for campaign finance research, investigative journalism, compliance monitoring, and political analysis using authoritative FEC data. So that's how the FEC Campaign Finance Contribution Scraper works. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'll appreciate a review. Thank you.